just come back from helping one of our customers out. We've got a little bit of time before our next guest check-in, so we're going to go fish for about half an hour, and we're searching for a little spot here. I know this little spot here, as we're turning to Lake Brenton, is normally a good one, and it's got a nice peaceful atmosphere to it as well, so it's, even if we catch nothing, it's a nice way for us just to relax and sort of enjoy the day. I think as we approach this marker here, which I think is marker number 25, by this wooden jetty, I think there by that little sand wall over there could be a nice spot just to try for the day. Bites, but I think they're all little ones. So yeah, another 10 minutes and head off back to the office. Well, guys, caught nothing today, but like for half an hour it was at least a bit of relaxation. Gerald got to go on the supboard, and I got to shoot the breeze with him, and got a couple of nibbles on the line. But all in a day's work, back to the office, come make your bookings with me.